Good evening, good evening. So, I am going to be walking through with you from the perspective of first time user using screencast technology. I have absolutely never used this resource. However, I think it could be very, very instrumental in our classrooms as we have emerging technology. So, the project that I chose to use is our Screencast-O-Matic. In order to get started, I've kind of got an account set up, but we're going to be walking through this together. The first step is definitely make sure that you have an account set up. You'll register your email address, confirm your email address, set up your username and password. Immediately after you get that set up, you're coming into this immediate database, this first landing page, and you can begin recording your first set of videos. So just to kind of walk you through some of the buttons, this button we use to just if we just want to capture a screenshot of the images that are on our desktop. We have a button here to actually launch the recorder. We can also do any type of some of our video editing. There are premium memberships as well as just the free 30-day trials. But we initially need to store a video. We need something to have in our database in order to get started. So this page is definitely one that we can use to walk through and get an initial video. So here's our initial video. We're going to screencast-o-matic.com. Welcome, welcome, welcome to our landing page. I think this is valuable resource to use in our classrooms. I'll be teaching pre-K for this upcoming academic year, and those kids need to see our faces. They really do need to see our faces. A lot of our nonverbal clues plays a big part in their engagement and their excitement. So I'm definitely going to take opportunities to use the screencasting and being able to deliver instruction while they're looking at all digital content, but still being able to see their teacher's face. So what I'll do is I am to walk through and see what it's like to actually upload a video. We're going to be doing this together. So if there's any errors, remember we been together. All right. Gotcha. So